Good morning students, class 8, and today we will start the exercise 11.2. But before doing of the exercise, we will first of all clear some concept. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn the types of quadrilaterals. Okay, the first type is trapezium. So how does it looks? It looks like this. In trapezium, one pair of sides is parallel, but the other pair of sides is non-parallel. Okay, first thing. Second thing, if I will talk about isosceles trapezium, then the non-parallel sides are equal to each other. This is the difference between trapezium and isosceles trapezium. In trapezium and in isosceles trapezium, in both the cases, one pair of sides is parallel to each other, but if I will talk about isosceles trapezium, then non-parallel sides are equal to each other. Okay, and the second type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. This was the first was trapezium, second was isosceles. So we will see the third one, parallelogram. Okay, if I will talk about this parallelogram, then it will look like this. If I will give it name A, B, C, D, then opposite pair of sides are parallel to each other. This is a symbol of parallel, means AB parallel DC and AD parallel BC. One more thing, opposite sides are equal to each other also, means AB will be equal to DC and AD will be equal to BC. If I will talk more about it, if I will go on point third, then if I will join these diagonals, then the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other means OA will be equal to OC and OD will be equals to OB. This part will be equal to this part and this part is equal to this part, means OA equal OC and OD equal OB. One more thing, that the diagonals of parallelogram are not equal to each other. Okay, if I will talk one more point, then opposite angles, angle A and angle C are opposite angles, they are equal to each other. Angle B will be equals to angle D. Okay, one more property if I will talk, then the sum of co-interior angles is equals to 180 degree, means angle A and B are co-interior, so we can say angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Also, if I will talk about B and C, co-interior angles means the sum of two adjacent angles. A and B are adjacent, so their sum will be equals to 180 degree, and the reason will be co-interior angles. In the same way, sum of angle B and C will be equal to 180, sum of C and D will be equal to 180, and sum of angle D and angle A will also be equals to 180 degree. Okay, so students, what you have to do, you have to write the names of the types of quadrilaterals. Rest type we will discuss tomorrow. So what you have to do, you have to write down about these things in your fair copies. Okay, thank you very much.